Let's start by shaking out the body. Loosen everything up and think about releasing as much negative or nervous energy as you can. Take a deep breath and open the palms at your sides in mountain pose. Breathe in new air as you imagine it calming your body from the inside out. Next, we're going to move through an upward salute, taking a giant breath up. Then exhale as strongly as you can as you wash the nervous energy away, sweeping the arms down. Again, inhale up, exhale, sweep it down. Keep going a few more times. Last one, to a single leg balance, knee to chest. Release with control, other side. And release. Draw the heels together, toes apart, get long through the body, arms at your sides, palms open, and without folding forward, plie, 10 times. Last one. Step the feet out wide, side bend to the right. To the left. To center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to heart. Bend the knees to a goddess pose. We're going to hold it here, alternating heel lifts 8 times each side. To standing, arms up. Exhale, widen the arms to a star pose. Deepen your breath. Rotate to the right, coming to a crescent lunge. Open up to warrior 2, chest lifted, shoulders down and back. Straighten the front leg to triangle pose. We're going to move from warrior 2 back to triangle 3 times. Focus on keeping the body strong and steady. Bend the front knee and windmill the arm, returning to warrior 2. To triangle. 2 more times, warrior 2. To triangle. Last set to warrior 2. and triangle. Lower the top arm, folding in a pyramid pose. Step the front foot back to a plank. Downward facing dog. Step the opposite foot forward to a crescent lunge. Open up to warrior two. To triangle pose. Bend the front knee, windmill the arm, returning to warrior two. 3 sets now. To triangle. Two more to warrior two. And triangle. Last one to warrior two. And triangle. Lower the arm to pyramid pose. Step back to plank pose. To downward facing dog. Pull the right knee forward to pigeon pose. Get long through the back before folding over the front leg. Focus on deepening your breath here. Coming up, press back to down dog. Left leg forward to pigeon on the other side. Get long and fold. Coming up, press back to down dog. Hop or step through, coming to seated in staff pose. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Coming up, palms behind your seat, press through the hands and raise the hips in an incline pose. Lower the seat, hug the knees in close to the body. Soles of the feet together, drop the knees to a bound angle position. Sit up tall, shoulders down. Open up to a wide angle position. Lean the body slightly forward or fold down as much as you comfortably can. Coming up, twist to the right, both hands behind the leg. To the left. To center, side stretch to the right in a revolved head to knee pose. To the other side. Make your way to seated in any comfortable position. Roll your shoulders back. Shoulders down, sit up tall, one hand on your heart, the other on your belly, deepen your breath. Lower your hands and continue to breathe deeply for as long as you need to finish up.